Good morning. It is Saturday the 20th. I am currently cycling from Bromley to London Waterloo. I'm about halfway there. I got up at 5:30, so I'm still pretty knackered. We're jumping on a train to Guildford, and then we're going to start, I don't know what I'm going to call this, the South Downs Loop, something like that. But yeah, we'll see. I'll see you all at Waterloo. The sun is out, almost. It's actually going to be very sunny and warm today, but it's been quite chilly so far, but maybe soon it will warm up. So I'm on the Downs link, pretty much. It's basically an old railway line that goes all the way from Guildford down to Shoreham-by-Sea. Connects with the South Downs Way, but we're not going to be using that connection today. Going to be hitting that up tomorrow, so I've got to go and see family on the south coast first. But for now, we're just going to fly this for a long time. It's about 85k, I think, to the coast. It's pretty much just following this the whole way, so it's pretty chill. Not many hills, just going to take it easy. So let's go. So one of the interesting things about this route, because it follows an old railway, you get to cycle along old railway tracks. So you sometimes get these weird places where you're kind of cycling where the train should be in a station, which is kind of fun. Well, I wasn't expecting any hiker bike, but just come down a hill and going back up the other side on this bridleway, and it is steep and boggy. A lovely combination. Well, onwards. Well, it went from hiker bike into a tree down over the trail, so I had to lift my bike around the edge through a load of brambles and shit. That was fun. And then about a mile of boggy, wet, muddy stuff. My bike wheels are just clogs of mud right now. I'll have to clean them off in a minute. But in comparison, these trails, although completely overgrown, are relatively easy. We've come off the Downs link. I was expecting the route to follow it all the way, but looks like the creator of the route has put in some side sections, because it is kind of boring just going in a straight line forever. So I do appreciate the detours, although that bog has taken it out of me a bit, but this is part of the adventure. I'm just going to continue on and see what happens next. Back on the Downs link. I'm happy. That was hard work. Who knows, maybe in a few hours I'll be up for another detour, but for now, straight, flat, no mud. Sounds amazing. So we'll just stay on this for a while, I think. This is the old West Grinstead station. There's the platform. Staying. That's where I grew up. Nice place. Not much to do though. So we just come through Stenning, which is the town I grew up in, and this is the kind of scenery that I got to enjoy as a strapping young lad. Good morning. So things didn't quite go according to plan. What happens when you go and visit a bunch of family and friends that you haven't seen for a while? You go and get drunk. So I ended up staying at a friend's house last night. So I've been lugging all this bikepacking gear with me for no reason, but that's okay. We are currently coming out of Worthing. We're currently on the Boston Road going up onto the South Downs, which is why I sound so tired, because it's steep, But once we get to the top, you're gonna have a hell of a view. It's about 6:30 in the morning. The sun is just coming up, and gonna get some nice video of that, I think. Sit down and enjoy it for a while. So see how that goes. Chance of getting rain. haven't done much more filming on the South Downs Way because it has utterly destroyed me and I was not in any fit state to record anything for a few hours. This is a relatively flat section, so I'm going to catch up. It has been a slog, but an extremely beautiful slog. I think I'm just going to throw some pictures I took in the video here. Oh my god, the views are just amazing, but it makes you work for them, that's for damn sure.